Let us try to create a login form using the Bard AI. So here, let's create a question, a login form using HTML and CSS. So we're going to create or ask a question, but ask it from the ChatGPT. So here, let's just copy this, and then this body, the CSS. Now let's run. So this is the result we get from Bard. So let's just update Bard form or Bard login form. Let's save. Let's just run. Sorry. Bard login form. Now in this ChatGPT, we'll ask the same question. Let's just copy this one and paste. So as you can see here, we have this typing effect in ChatGPT, while in Bard it just creates or immediately gives you the answer. So I think I like this one better. And also here they have this styling in the code, like they're highlighting some of these keywords, so it is better compared with this one, just plain white background and gray text. As you can see, and then here as you can see this, it looks like a code editor. So let's try to create another. Just open that one and then grab this HTML, and then here let's do a ChatGPT login form, then the CSS code, then run. So here is the login form generated by the ChatGPT and the Bard login form. So well, I like them both. So good thing with Bard is they have this username, password placeholder, and the design. Let's see. So as you can see here, there's this, I believe this one should be in full with the same with this input. Here, yeah, this looks great. It has this container and then shadow. So ChatGPT looks better to me compared with the Bard login form. But you know, Bard, this is just an experiment, so it's not yet a full-blown AI, so there's still a lot of updates they need to make in this platform. But yeah, they both gave us an answer. They generated the login form So let me know which one is better in the comment section. So ChatGPT versus the Bard.